Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video, I will tell you how you can decrypt this BitLocker encrypted drives. So here you can see I have two disk 0 and disk 1. If you want to increase space of C drive, then the drive from which you want to add the space to that one should be decrypted with BitLocker, and it should not have BitLocker encrypted over here like you can see over here. So earlier this was encrypted, so I was not able to add this page to C drive. So now this one is encrypted as well, so I will tell you how you can decrypt that. If I go to BitLocker, manage BitLocker, and here you can see this one is not showing any option to turn it off. Instead it is showing BitLocker waiting for activation. So there is no option to turn it off, and here you can see it says BitLocker encrypted. So we have to fix this issue and we have to decrypt that. For that we will have to go to command prompt, and here we will have to open it as administrator. We will click on yes, and here we will have to write a simple command which is manage minus bde off, and then we will have to write the drive character. For example, in this case it is G, so I will write that, and then I will have to write colon, and I will press enter. And here you can see now it is saying decryption is now in progress. And if I go to BitLocker again, here you can see it says BitLocker decrypting. So now it will take some time, and then after that it will be showing BitLocker off, just like this one. So that's how you can fix this issue. So here you can see BitLocker encrypted is not showing over here now, and here you can see it is turned off completely. Now you can easily add this space to another drive if you want using the mini tool software. This one, mini tool partition wizard, it is a free software. You can download it if you want, and using that you can extend any drive. So that's how you can decrypt the BitLocker encrypted drives. If you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. So that's it for this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.